Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this quick video, I just want to let you guys know about a new update from Canva called Magic Studio. Now, Canva is, a pioneer in this space, and they are continually integrating with new AI features and software, and it looks like Magic Studio is the latest iteration of that. So I am on canva.com/magic, and I'll leave a link to that in the video description below. They also have a little introduction video on the official Canva YouTube channel, and I'll leave a link to this below as well. This is just a good 2-minute video that quickly explains Magic Studio. But on this page, guys, some things that I want to show you, and there's a lot here, so I'm just going to trim this in as shortly as possible to give you the important details and highlights. But one thing that stuck out to me right away about this Magic Studio, I noticed a lot of Pro emblems. So this tells me that I'm assuming most of these new AI features are going to be for Canva Pro members only. It'll be interesting to see if there's any options for free Canva users. I doubt that initially. Maybe there are some. I don't know yet. But as I scroll through the Magic Media page, the Magic Studio page, the first thing that caught my attention was this Magic Media heading. And when I dug more into this, it does say it's in beta mode still, was they're integrating a new text-to-video feature. Now, text-to-video is nothing new, as there's already a tool out there called invideo.io, and it already does this. Now, the quality's not there in my opinion, but there are AI tools out there that do perform the text-to-video functionality already. So I'm very curious to see what this is going to look like inside Canva. Same with text to image. Again, this is a Canva Pro only feature, but there are plenty of programs out there that do perform AI text to image. Bing Image Creator being the most popular, and it is now powered by DALL-E 3, which is OpenAI's enhancement of DALL-E 2. And I have a separate video that I just made on that if you want to check that out too. But the point I'm trying to make, guys, is text to image has already been around in terms of AI tools. But anyways, I'm very curious to see how Canva outperforms these other ones. That's the thing that I'm wondering. And when I scroll down here, another cool feature is Magic Expand. So as I kind of scroll through, you'll see what it does in terms of functionality. Is it looks like it just uses AI to expand the image here. So that's a cool feature, and it's also on the Pro version. Magic Grab, Magic Edit. So there's various other AI photo editing capabilities here, it looks like. Magic Animate, Background Remover. Now there's a ton of background removers out there, remove.bg being my favorite that I use. There's a Magic Eraser. Again, all of these are for Pro, but it looks like Magic Edit doesn't have that Pro emblem, so maybe this is for free users. Magic Morph is another tool or capability that I saw in here. But anyways, guys, a lot of details on this page about this Magic Studio. And then it comes down here and tries to prompt you to sign up for Canva Pro, which I do have an account for the purposes of this video and other tutorials. But if you come to your Canva homepage, and again, I am a member of Canva Pro, right on the homepage here, it's already prompting you to see what's all about this Magic Studio. On the left here, it says new and it says Magic Studio. If I click that, it takes me to the Canva Magic Studio. All right, guys, so as I'm on the Magic Studio page in Canva, let's go ahead and test one of these out just to compare it with something else. So right here, it says turn ideas into images and videos with Magic Media. So text to image. I'm going to click this and I'm going to click try it out. And I'm just very curious to see what this is going to do. So it says text to image, so input your text here. All I'm going to say is create me an image of a rocket ship. So something simple. Click create your image. And while this is waiting in the background, I'm going to come over to the Bing Image Creator powered by DALL-E, and I'm going to give it the exact same prompt. So I'm going to give it create me an image of a rocket ship. Click create, and now I'm going to fast forward, guys, while both of these are processing these images in the background, and I'm going to skip ahead and see, let's compare and contrast what we get. All right, so if I stay on the Bing Image Creator, you'll see here, I actually like these a lot. These are really unique, really cool images just based on this simple text prompt of create me an image of a rocket ship. Now let's come back to Canva and let's see what it produced here. So as you'll see these 4 images on the left here, again, not bad in my opinion. A little more cartoonish, I would say, than what the Bing Image Creator with DALL-E 3 gave me. But overall, not bad, just from a 1-sentence prompt about creating a rocket ship. There's a lot of detail here, and I could definitely use something like this in a type of media asset for whatever reason. But that's it, guys. This is just a really quick video I wanted to show you about the new Magic Studio within Canva and all of these new AI features that Canva keeps integrating into their platform. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Hope this video helped you guys out. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. And again, guys, I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future.